Hi guys, I made my Bobble Head Grandad a while back and had a few suggestions on the video as to what I could do with him, polite suggestions. One was make him solar powered, so I've taken apart my rocking Grandad and just using the coil there to excite him, I suppose you call it that. So when we get a pulse of magnetism on the coil, that's repelling the magnet on the end of his walking stick. Anyway, done that, one of the other suggestions I had was make him into one of those self-righting toys where you have half a ball on the bottom there with a weight in it so that he always comes back upright. So if I take the spring out of there, which we don't need anymore, and I've 3D printed a base. Had a bit of a problem with the print, as you can see. Okay, need to trim this a little bit around the edges because that should have a little ledge on it to fit inside there. Okay, so that will fit in there. So I'll put some weight in there and see if we can get him to sit upright. I'll just fill the base with some of this plasticine. Got plenty of it. Need to work it a little bit to soften it. Might not be heavy enough. That might be a problem. I might have to put some lead or something in the very bottom to make sure. Not heavy enough. Right, okay, we'll come back to that in a minute. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.